A groundbreaking study led by the Telethon Kids Institute and the University of Adelaide reveals that for every minute of screen time toddlers are exposed to at home, they experience fewer adult words, make fewer vocalisations, and engage in fewer conversations with their parents. The research, tracking 220 Australian families over 2.5 years, used Fitbit-like devices to measure electronic noise and parent-child talk surrounding children aged 12 to 36 months. Findings, published in JAMA Pediatrics, suggest a potential technoference issue where screen time interferes with language development during critical early years.
If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great content.